In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget presentation in Prezi. We'll walk through the steps of transforming your data into a visually appealing and professional presentation. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Prezi account. Once you're in, open a new presentation. This will be the canvas for your budgeting story, a place where you can combine your financial information with stunning visuals. Next, we'll choose a template. Prezi offers a variety of designs, but for our purpose, look for a clean and professional template that's suitable for financial content. It's important to pick something that complements the subject matter of your budget presentation, as this will set the tone for your audience. Now, let's add the main topic. This will be the heart of your presentation. Label it Budget Overview, or any title that succinctly describes your focus. This will serve as the central hub from which all your subsequent topics will branch out. Moving on, it's time to create subtopics. Think of these as the core sections of your presentation. You'll want to start with critical categories such as income, expenses, projections, and key financial insights. This structure will help to neatly organize your information and make it easier for your audience to follow. To make your budget data pop and easy to understand, insert charts, tables, and graphics. These visual elements will tell the story of your data far better than text alone. Whether it's a pie chart showing income sources or a bar chart illustrating monthly expenses, these visuals are key in conveying information effectively. Remember, presentation is crucial, so use colors and icons to your advantage. Highlight important numbers and comparisons to draw attention to key points. For instance, use a bold color for all profit margins, or a specific icon for potential savings opportunities. This will help your audience quickly grasp the most important aspects of your budget. To truly captivate your audience, apply zooming paths. Prezi's unique zoom function allows you to transition smoothly from one section to another. By setting these paths thoughtfully, you guide your audience seamlessly through each budget section, creating a flow that keeps them engaged and ensures they understand the entire financial picture. And that's how you create a budget presentation in Prezi. With these steps, you not only organize your financial data, but also present it in a way that's engaging and easy to digest. This approach will surely impress your audience and make your budgeting presentation stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.